Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to talk about wallpaper customization features of iOS 27. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So let's start with the first customization, and that is related to time. So if you want a clean look on lock screen, then you can remove time from here. How can you do that? Just simply go to customization mode like this, select customize, select time. You will get a pop-up screen and you get a new icon over here. So you just have to tap on that, and now you can see the time which was present here has gone up. So at the top you can check out time, day and date. After that, just simply save it, and now this is how you can achieve clean look on lock screen. Now talking about the second customization feature, that is for wallpaper. So this time if you want to add new wallpaper, you get a new option of image playground, which was not present earlier. So what it does is, if you select image playground, it will ask you to describe an image. So if you want to create your own wallpaper, just simply give the prompt, give a proper description, and based on that description, it will create a wallpaper or an image which you can later on use as wallpaper. So let's create one. So I have given a simple description. Let's try to create a new image or wallpaper. So now you can see I told it to create foggy mountain with river view, and it has done that. So if you want to describe more change, you can select describe a change over here, but if you like the image, simply tap on this tick mark option, and now you can see it has created a wallpaper using image playground. If you want to pinch in pinch out, you can do that as well. So let's save it for now, and this is how it looks like. So I have created multiple wallpapers using image playground, which you can check out on the screen. So you can describe your image properly, and based on that you will get a proper wallpaper. Now talking about the next customization feature, that is again related to wallpaper. Obviously this video is about wallpaper customization, but there is a new option to extend wallpaper after iOS 27. So let me show you that. So if I go and select new wallpaper, let me select one. So now you can see I have selected a wallpaper, but I want to extend this wallpaper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out like this, and it will give me an option to extend the wallpaper. So the additional area which you are able to see here, it will create an image through AI. So let's tap on extend and wait. So you can see it has successfully extended the wallpaper. You can simply tap on add option and you can save it. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. These are some wallpaper customization features of iOS 27. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.